Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to create a newspaper using Canva. The process is straightforward and you don't need a pro account. Everything I'll demonstrate can be done with the free version. First, go to canva.com. If you don't already have an account, take a moment to create one. Once you're logged in, go to the search bar at the top of the page and type in newspaper. This will bring up a variety of newspaper templates to choose from. You'll see options in different styles, such as black and white or colorful designs. Browse through the templates until you find one that suits your needs. For this tutorial, I'll work with a colorful template, but feel free to select whichever one fits your purpose. Click on the template you want to use, and then click the Customize this template button. Once the template opens, you'll see a pre-designed layout with placeholders for text, images, and other elements. Let's start by customizing the title of the newspaper. Click on the title text box, delete the placeholder text, and type your desired name. For example, I'll rename it Helper News. To adjust the size, use the plus or minus buttons at the top of the screen. You can also make the text bold, italic, or change the font to suit your style. Now, let's move to the main articles. Most templates will have placeholder text for headlines and body content. Click on a headline to edit it. For example, you could title it, How Tutorials Help Us Learn. If you already have an article prepared, you can copy and paste it into the text box. Otherwise, you can write directly in Canva. Adjust the text size and spacing to fit neatly within the designated space. Next, replace the placeholder image with one that fits your article. To do this, click on the image and press the Delete key. Then, go to the Photos tab on the left-hand menu to search for a suitable replacement. For example, you might search for Tutorials and select an image. Drag it onto the page and position it as needed. You can resize and crop the image to fit the layout. Repeat this process for any additional articles or sections on your template. If your template includes a footer or contact information section, you can customize it with your website or social media links. For example, type in helpernews.com or add icons for Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube. These icons can be found in the Elements tab on the left menu. Drag the icons onto the page and position them neatly. If you want to add more pages to your newspaper, go to the bottom of the template and click the Add Page button. You can duplicate existing designs or start with a blank page. Use the same tools and options to customize it as needed. When your design is complete, it's time to export your newspaper. Go to the top right corner and click Share, then select Download. Choose the format you need, such as PDF for printing or PNG for digital sharing. Once you've made your selection, click the Download button and Canva will prepare your file. That's how you can create a newspaper in Canva using templates. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.